Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Tasha, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a video that I've already done before, and here it is. So this video is basically me doing a voiceover talking about how you can make your own travel size perfumes to, save on some costs of buying travel size of the perfume that you already have in your collection. Also, you can remix your favorite layered scents. You can just, do a little remix, add your fragrances together so you can get that layered scent effect even when you're outside of the house. Because, we're not carrying around two perfumes, are we? Are we carrying around two perfumes? I don't think so. Are you? Okay, I thought so. So you can go ahead and mix them, mix them in your little container. I'm also going to put the link of this particular product in the description just so that you can, get the exact kind. And let's just go ahead and get into the video.
All right, so we have a bit of a scene change just because it got late and it's nighttime now. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you the unboxing of the travel size atomizers / empty sprayer dispensers. So this one I'm showing you is one that I've had previously and I've been using for a while now. And I wanted to get those, but they were no longer available. So I went ahead and grabbed this one. I really love the gold. It's very pretty to me. So these are a bit larger and that surprised me. I don't know why. I guess I didn't really look at what I was ordering far as the size. So these are the 20 milliliter atomizers, large capacity, which was about $19.99 for the 4 gold ones. I'm taking out these 2 because I'm not going to use all 4 at this moment. I don't feel as if I need to. So I have my perfumes lined up in the back, and that's the ones that I'm going to use today. So right here, I'm just showing you the size difference. That's the larger one, and on camera it doesn't really look that large, but when you compare it to the mini one, which is the 8 milliliters mini empty sprayer dispenser, it's about 3.94 inches. So yeah, it's way tinier. The plastic that it's made of is quite glass-like, so they've been working for me for a while. I haven't dropped it, but I guess I should have did like a drop test. I don't want to waste it. But yeah, I've had them for a while and they've been lasting for a while. So this one, it comes with 4 bottles, 3 funnels, 3 pumps, and 3 droppers. Whereas the other one that I had came with 2 droppers, 2 dispenser pumps, and 2 funnels. So this one comes with a little bit more. These bottles are reusable. The small one that I'm putting the funnel on first, that one is being reused. So I just cleaned it out until I didn't smell perfume anymore. And I'm going to reuse it now. So the first perfume that I chose to use is the Burberry Goddess. And you'll see in this video that it doesn't want to cooperate with the dropper. And with this particular bottle, you can just spray it in like they do if you were to go to any perfume counter. And you'll see that coming in the video as well. But as far as this bottle, I just chose to put it to the side because I decided that I didn't want to put it in a bottle if I wasn't going to be able to do it this way. Because I would only be using this fragrance. I'm not gonna mix this one with anything, not yet. So I didn't want to put mostly that in a bottle. So I just chose to put it to the side. Alright, so the next fragrance that I decided to try is the Valentino Born in Roma Yellow Dream. So let's see if this bottle will allow us to use the dropper, in which we can get way more fragrance at a quicker speed than actually just spraying it in, which is fine as well, but I like to do that only if I need a little bit of it. Here you'll see me add another fragrance, and this is the Kayali Eden Juicy Apple 01. And this fragrance is just going to give it a little bit more lasting power and more of that apple and just a little bit more projection as well. So you see here, this bottle doesn't want to cooperate as well using the dropper. So with this fragrance, you'll see me spraying directly into the bottle. Don't forget to mix it. You have to mix it because you're mixing two fragrances, and don't forget to smell it as well. So I like to smell it to see if I need any more of anything. If it's fine the way it is, I'll just go ahead and put the top on as you see here. But later on, if I spray it on myself and I'm not pleased with the smell that's coming out and I need more of something, then I'll go ahead and add it at a later time. But for now, that's just an example of how to layer your fragrances or mix them. And here you get to see me use one of my favorite scents that I've been using over and over, but this is a refill bottle of the Angel Nova by Terry Mugler. So this fragrance, you'll see me using the funnel because it's easier to put inside of the bottle this way. So I'm not going to fill these up today. I don't know, something about me just wants to save and savor a little bit in the bottle so it looks like I have more. So I just finished rinsing it out, and here you'll see me spray out the water just so that I can get all of it out, or as much as I can out. But this is how it looks when it's sprayed on you, and that's just water. So if you want to smell like water, you can leave it in there, or you can fill it with anything that you want that is a liquid that you want to take with you, whether that's a breath spray, maybe hairspray. I don't know what you want to put in there, but whatever you want to put in there, you can. So now this beautiful bottle holds a perfume oil by the brand Swiss Arabian, and this perfume oil is called Amali, if I'm pronouncing that properly. But here you get to see me use the dispenser pump, and you can see me just pumping it out and pumping it in, and it's pretty simple. So I'm doing that until I reach the max to where I have to tilt it. So when I have to tilt it, I just kind of stop there, because again, I'm not trying to fill these bottles up. So this perfume oil comes with a stick, and you dab it in your post point areas, but I wanted to spray it as well, and especially if I'm not home, so I decided to put it in a travel size bottle. And you know, perfume oils tend to be more potent, and this particular brand don't use any alcohol, so that's why I chose to put it in. And this is the Parfums de Marly Delina, and I chose this fragrance to go along with the perfume oil because they just complement each other so well. I've had this Parfums de Marly Delina bottle for a while now, and I've always had trouble spraying it. It doesn't spray out of the atomizer perfectly each time, so here you'll see me having trouble extracting the fragrance. So I have to take off that nozzle and just go ahead and spray it in the normal way after I'm able to connect the liquid with the actual straw at the bottom. Being that this is an oil, you're going to want to mix it every time that you use it because it will separate. So when I spray it, this is water still. The perfume oil and the perfume has not gotten to the top of the actual atomizer yet. So I noticed the day after that it was very watery as well. And it probably took about like 3 sprays for me to actually get the potency of the actual fragrance. So if it smells like water, just keep spraying until it doesn't. Now, if you're very technical as a person, you can label these however you choose to. For me, I just smell it and that's how I know which fragrance it is. So that's how I go off of it. And also for now, I don't really write down my formulas. I probably should, but as of now, I just spray till it smells like what I want it to smell like, as I keep repeating. But I am no way into actual measurements at this time in my life, so maybe soon I'll do that. If you're interested in this particular item, I'll go ahead and link in the description down below my affiliate link to Amazon. So if you purchase from that particular link, I do get a small percentage of your purchase, but it's at no extra cost to you. So I want to say thank you in advance. So this is the end of the video. I just wanted to say thank you if you've made it to the end of the video. Let me know in the comments how you like this style of video. Do you like the voiceovers? Do you like the tutorials? And what do you think about the perfumes that I chose to mix together? And have you done that before? Or what fragrances do you feel as if I should mix as a travel size in the future? Or just any layered scents that you prefer? I just want to say thank you guys again. My name is Tasha and my channel is called Layered Scents. So I will see you in the future, and I'll go ahead and link some other videos in my description. Bye.